Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. Today we are going to fix this. So this is a ramrod off of some black powder pistol. I have a customer. This is not the first one of these I've done. I've welded back together several ramrods for him. And so he's got this piece that came off of the pistol, and then he's brought me this piece of rod, and he basically wants those two put together. So seeing that this is hollow, what I'm going to do is turn the end of this rod down in the lathe until this slips onto it, and then we'll weld them together and grind it all down and make it like it was one piece. So we'll come over here to the lathe and get that chucked up and see about turning the end of it down to fit. Alright, now I'm going to have to go and turn on the converter and everything so I get my three-phase power. So let me go get everything turned on and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got my power on and you can hear the rotary back there running, providing our three-phase for this. See if I can get this camera in a good spot where you can maybe see what I'm doing. So basically what I'm going to do is turn the end of this down enough where it will slide up inside of the hole in this. So we will, where did my oil go? Hold on. All right. Had to go find my tub. I like to use this paste, rapid tap paste, because it kind of stays on the what you're working on a little bit better than just dumping oil on it. So all right, now you can see that our piece fits on there. So we can go ahead and pull it out of the chuck. here for a second. Alright, so now we've got that turned down, and this will slip over the end of it like so. Now we just need to bevel this edge and get everything cleaned up, and then we will weld this. So let me get that ready and I'll bring you back for that part. Alright, so we got the edges cleaned up and beveled, and we got it stuck together in the vise here. And we're just going to take the MIG welder and go around and put little tack welds all the way around it and keep filling it in until it gets rough. Then we'll grind it down, check it, see if there's any spots we need to fill in, grind it down again. So I'm going to set y'all back over here because I don't want my camera to get hit in the lens by some welding slag, and we'll do this. Alright, you can see it looks pretty good. Now we'll just let that cool off for a minute and we'll take it over and grind it. So I'll bring you back for that. Alright, this has cooled off sufficiently and it looks like we've got a good weld that filled it in. We'll go grind that around, see if there's any spots we got to touch up. But I think it ought to be good. So. So that's looking pretty good. We've just got one little spot right there that I'm going to try to fill in because I don't like leaving things halfway. So let's swing back over here and take care of that. We get all this stuff set up again and we'll do that and finish this thing up. Alright, so I've got it chucked back up, ready to fill in that one little pinhole. I probably could leave it, and I may end up regretting trying to fill it in, but I like things to look nice. All right, we can grind that down once again. And there we go. One repaired ramrod. And I guarantee you that repaired section is probably going to be 10 times stronger, if not more, than what the original was. And that is how we do that. So now I can get that back to him, get a little pocket money, and we'll have another satisfied customer. So hopefully y'all found that interesting or useful, and we will see you in the next video. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one.